Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're from in the whole wide world. This is Man Pix here. We've got Callum's vlogs here. His link will be in the description below. I'm testing out the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. We're at Norfolk Park again. Excuse all the midges and flies and whatnot. What can do about that? So I'll just come out a quick walk. Blazing hot sun, about 23 degrees. And he's been filming, photographing. I've been filming, photographing, using the iPhone 14 Plus. And like I said before, with the DJI Mobile 6 I got yesterday, first time I'm using it for real filming. Pretty good so far. When I understand it a bit more better, I'm sure I'll be able to get some more better shots, I should say. But yeah, don't forget, all links will be in the description below. What stuff you want to say for TikTok and whatnot?
Make sure to follow me on TikTok at _44. I'll be there's some funny skits, and I'll be putting my photography and videography videos on there, so you can go behind the scenes of what I film. So
Instagram,
and my Instagram is Callum_vlogsyt.
because he's always wanting to put into my videos, so I gave him permission this time. Right then guys, like I said, don't forget, check out links in the description. You know, if you're not subscribed to Callum's Vlogs YT, go and check him out. I'll see you in a bit.
Bye.
Summertime makes me come alive, makes me think of you. Sunny skies turn starry-eyed in this never-ending June. I got lost on my way home. The street lights turn gray, so I made up my own way. I'll drive till the colors fade. I get carried away, lost in days. I can't complain when all I think about is you. I get carried away, lost in days. I can't complain when all I think about is you. Summertime makes me come alive, makes me think of you. Sunny skies turn starry-eyed in this never-ending June. I got lost on my way home. The street lights turn gray, so I made up my own way. I'll drive till the colors fade. I get carried